Good Sunday, everybody. So I'm back. We got a few things accomplished here. Obviously, I got my crossbar in. Got mounting points here for a shackle, or I've actually decided that we're going to go to a slider on this car. So I mounted those a little too far back. They're just tacked in there. Just checking kind of the fitment with the weight of the car on it. It's going to be just a little different with a slider, but not a whole lot. It shouldn't be because right now the spring's just sliding on the bottom of that tube. Patched this, stiffened up these corners here, because if you look up underneath, we had to, oh, it's really hard to see in there. Well, how do we get that way? Well, that's not welded in yet, obviously. There you can see it. I had to cut a little bit more off the end of the original frame rails. I cut them at an angle, which should help strengthen things up a little bit. At least that's the theory. And that should help, give me enough, keeps it strong, it's capped, but it gives me enough clearance to where my springs aren't going to be running into things. Did have a conversation with Randy about this. He saw my first video of the weekend, and the springs binding has been an ongoing off and on problem with this car its whole life, which has been a very long time now for a race car. So we're gaining on it. Go get the fuel cell put back in. All of these fuel lines, even though they use good quality fuel line, they're 25 years old now, and they're all starting to deteriorate. So I ordered some of that when I ordered my sliders, and we're going to be replacing all that line, redoing the mounting on the fuel cell a little bit, but I'm going to try and use kind of a lot of what was there. It isn't pretty, but it's very functional. So pretty cost money, and sometimes that's not something that I've got a lot of, at least not a lot to spend on the race cars. So hope everyone's having a great day. Follow us on the YouTubes if you haven't already. Check us out on Facebook again, Left Turn Dodge on Facebook, and hope everyone's enjoying.